Good morning, children. Welcome back to our lesson on factors and multiples. Now that we know all about factors, today we will look at a new topic, which is multiples. You may ask me, what are multiples? The multiple of a number is a number that leaves no remainder when divided by that number. Now this statement might be very confusing for you. So we will look at a practical example. What if I asked you the multiples of 2? We will look at the tables of 2. So 1 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. And 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. So in this case, the multiples of 2 are nothing but the products of 2, which is 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here you can see I have written the multiples of 2. So boys and girls, how do we prove the statement that we saw before? That statement said that the multiple should be divisible by the given number. So in this case, let us look at the first product, this 2. So we will be dividing this now. As you can see, I have taken the division symbol, and now I will write this 2 inside, and now I will write the number 2, okay, outside. This number comes here. Now we know 2 ones are 2 and minus sign and the line below, which gives me 0. Does it leave a remainder? No. So whenever we have a number which is completely divisible without a remainder, we can call it a multiple of that number. So in this case, 2 is a multiple of 2. Let's look at another example. So I take another division sign and I put the number 4 inside it. That was my next multiple, right? And I take 2 as we are looking at multiples of 2. When I divide 2 and 4, what is the number I'll multiply this 2 to get 4? Yes, 2 2s are 4. Very good. So I write the 4 below and I put the subtraction sign and the line below. 4 minus 4 gives me nothing but a 0. Very good. So you can see that I am getting left with no remainder. So whenever we have no remainder left, we know that that number is a multiple of 2. For example, here 4 is a multiple of 2, 6 is also a multiple of 2 and 8 is also a multiple of 2. Now I'll show you another statement. The numbers which come in the tables of the given number are known as multiples of that number. Now this statement is also confusing, but we will look at an example. Now I'll explain it in a little easier method. We know the tables of 5, so I'll write the tables of 5, okay? So 1 multiplied by 5 equals to 5, 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10, 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15, 4 multiplied by 5 equals to 20. Note, all of these multiples, that is 5, 10, 15 and 20, come in the tables of 5. So I can call them the multiples of 5. So the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15 and 20. This is another way of looking at it. This explains us another way of finding multiples of a given number. What are multiples? They are those numbers which when divided by the given number leave no remainder. Also, they are the numbers which come in the tables of the given number. We looked at both of them. Is 18 a multiple of 9? Can you answer me? Yes, you can do it yourself by pausing the video here before I solve it for you. Now let us go ahead and solve it on our own. So when we check, we see 1 multiplied by 9 gives us 9. 2 multiplied by 9 gives us 18. Here we see that 18 has already come in the 9's table. So yes, it is a multiple of 9. 18 is a multiple of 9. Now I take the division symbol and we will check for the first one. Is 9 a multiple of 9? We will check by doing the division. So I put the 9 inside and the number 9 outside. And here you see 9 ones are 9. And I have no remainder. That means 9 is a multiple of 9. Let us look at the second one. Is 18 a multiple of 9? So I put 18 inside and 9 outside. When I divide 18 by 9, I know 9 twos are 18. So 18 minus 18 gives me nothing but 0. That means I have no remainder. So yes, 18 is a multiple of 9. This is how we find out multiples of given number. So for today, I want you to solve assignment 26. Write the first 4 multiples for the number 7, part B 5 and part C 11. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Stay safe.